Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL TabMax, and let me share with you how to remove credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to find the security. Here we have to scroll down in order to find encryption and credentials, and at the very bottom of this list we've got clear credentials option, so let's enter. Tap on OK to confirm, and as you can see, if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And after that you can see this info that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.